Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Webinars YouTube channel, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 5th of September 2023, and the day is Tuesday. I welcome you to this very nice evening here. First of all, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone who has joined, depending upon whichever part of the country. Whichever part of the world you are right now from. German Marine is here. Hello, German. Welcome to the stream. I hope this is first time German is here. If yes, please let me know, and I welcome you wholeheartedly. So why this stream is here? We are doing this webinar from last 1 year, more than 1 year now, because we started in August last year to develop an idea about the price section, how the price behaves, how the psychology behind the candlestick works. So we are trying to understand everything that is going on with the candles, why they go with the candles like that. If you're new to the psychology behind the trading, maybe you may not get much of the facts that I say here, but stick with us for some time, German, and I promise you that if you are able to understand English, then you will definitely be able to grasp what we are talking about here. So in the next few minutes, I will be talking about the price action, and somewhere between the lines, I will also be talking about the technical analysis. Like I will maybe using some indicators, but I'll restrict my analysis to the price only. We'll only be using the RSI or volumes for confirmation of the things. Now, as a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information is already reflected on the chart. So that means if there is some news, if there is some happening around the world, it gets priced in. So we don't talk about anything that is happening in the world. We focus ourselves only on the chart because everything is already on the chart. And to analyze the markets, we are using the candlestick type of charts. They give us the maximum possible information that we need. And in this program, we will be trying to deduce the key levels of inflection. I call them the support and resistance. Many of you call them support and resistance areas, or the potential areas from where the price can reverse or can continue further. Now, when I explain you with the charts, that time maybe you will be able to understand it better. So I request you that if you have any questions regarding the session, please ask the questions in the chat box that is provided. We have a very low latency. That means whatever I'm saying is reaching you within 2 seconds or 3 seconds. This is the maximum latency. So you can keep asking your questions, and I'll try my best to answer your questions and to clear your doubts if you have any. And one thing that I want to say before starting this session is that whatever I'm saying here, it has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank, because I'm not an employee of Dukas Copy and I'm an independent trader and analyst. So please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. Therefore, whatever I'm saying here, all the views, opinions, or the trading ideas that I'm going to discuss here, they are of my own. It's not the Dukas Copy research, it is my research. So my request to you is that don't take my whatever I'm saying here as a trading advice. It is not a trading advice. It is to let you know how to read the markets, how to understand them, and how you can take an informed decision after going through all these concepts that I'm going to teach here. Okay, so please do your own research before you put your hard-earned money on the line. With this said, let me take you through the formal risk disclaimer, because we are trading on the margin. So you need to know that margin trading carries a lot of risk. Clara, hello, welcome to the stream. Clara, how are you? Long time no see. All right, guys, let me bring up my charts. So this is the first chart now on your screen, and this chart is the US dollar index. You can see here on the left side of the screen. This is a demo account. Okay, this is my demo account. Do not confuse it as a real account. It is not a real account. So this is dollar index 1-day chart bid, and here something is building up here. Actually, we were expecting the price to reverse from 104.59 area, and today you can see after getting some resistance from this area here, it finally broke out. And this breakout, if this breakout sustains and if the price closes above 104.59, then it will definitely open the way for 105.85, which is the next level of resistance. After that, we can expect these highs to be tested or these lows to be tested, which is around 107.64. Right now, if you are looking at the dollar index, that means this is going to be a breakout. It will be confirmed if the price closes above 104.59. And regarding the volumes, if you have to see, the volumes are sufficiently high. The volumes are sufficiently high, and there is a maximum probability that the price is headed towards 105.85. If the dollar index is rising, that means the dollar is rising against all other pairs, not all other pairs, but the most of the major pairs it is rising against. Okay, so let us see what is happening in the other pairs. But right now for the dollar, 104.59 is the support, and for resistance you can keep an eye on 105.85. These are the two levels of importance for the dollar index. So if the dollar has broken higher, so the euro has broken lower. Now euro has broken lower, and if I leave these two lows here, although this is a swing low, we cannot ignore this. So let me mark that low here. Now this is a valid swing low, 1.06669. So this is a valid swing low, so this should be your next level of support. But even if the price starts going up from here, it should find resistance around 1.0765. Why I have moved it to 1.0765? Because this is the low, swing low, that the price has broken. Now since the price has broken this swing low and is about to close below this, so next time the price goes to this area, it should be seen as a resistance. Now at least you should know that once support is broken, it tends to act as a resistance. So there is a high probability that 1.0765, if the price reaches here, then it will be seen as a selling opportunity by the sellers. And you can also actually add up, or you can also join this bandwagon if you want to, with a small stop loss higher and targeting 1.0666 and also 1.0635 in the process. If that breaks, then the price will be looking for these lows as the targets, which I am marking right now on your chart, that is 1.0515. But that is very far, so first target is 1.0666. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the chat. Okay, do not be afraid or do not be shy. Okay, for the pound also, it has seen a lower low now, but it has seen a lower low with a great volume. In fact, you see the previously this was a low with a green, and the volumes are going to be much more than that if the price keeps trading for the next 12 hours, 11 hours and 48 minutes or so. So the volumes are possibly going to be more than this volume. This is 97205, right now it is 90384. So there is a possibility that the volumes will be more, but the next level of support is 1.24865. This may be an area of support here, but see the price is clearly making lower highs and lower lows. So yes, this is a downtrend now, and the next level of support is 1.2486. But if you see closely, then on the intraday time frame, that is 4 hour, there is a buying at the lower levels. And after closing of this Marubozu, there was again sell off, which could not go beyond the lows that the price had created in the last 4 hours. That means yes, on the lower time frames there is buying here at these levels. So if the price doesn't close below this important area that we had marked, that is 1.2547, then there is a high probability that the price will go back towards 1.2653 and maybe even to 1.2746. So since this is not a very clear price action, so I'll suggest you stay away from this GBP USD right now. Looking at the Australian dollar here, Australian dollar is a clean break to the downside. Well, here it is a clean break with the bearish engulfing at the resistance, and thereafter the very next day the price has followed up to the previous low. Let me clear this. Okay, The price has followed to up to the previous low, and we have discussed, I think, that Australian dollar in the longer run is going to be fall. Now, if the price closes below 0.6364, then only we can expect actually these areas here 0.6271. Why? Because you see the price has made a new low, but the RSI has not made a new low. So there is a divergence between the indicator and the price, and the price tends to move in the same direction when there is a divergence in the indicators, in the same direction where the indicator is suggesting. If indicator is suggesting higher high, then the price has to make higher high in the process. So if I have to sell this market, I will not be actually looking to sell this market, but I will be very cautious at this RSI divergence. New Zealand dollar, a clean break below these lows. Now if the candle closes, then 0.5842 will be exposed, and this 0.5885 area should start acting as a resistance. Now this 0.5885 area should start acting as resistance, and 0.5842 will be exposed as the next area of support. Okay, 147.71 is where the price is trading right now. This is the US dollar against the Japanese yen. The next possible target is 148.84. We have already discussed about it, and this is clean chart, so there is nothing that we can talk about it. If the price starts coming down, then this level of 146.63 and 146.27, this area should be seen as a buying opportunity, and the target is 148.84. That's it, nothing much. Okay, here this is the third attempt from the US dollar to clear this resistance area against the Canadian dollar. If this area is cleared, the next area of importance is not 1.3861, but actually this is the area of importance, 1.3804, and this price action is not suggesting that there is a possibility. That means you see price is making higher highs after this, but the RSI is making lower highs. That means even the relative strength is not there. So expect some down move from here, at least to the level of 1.3495. That does not mean really to sell this market. No, if you want to sell this market, the price has to trade below 1.3488 in this area, right? So these are the levels that you have to keep an eye on. So now this becomes your area of resistance. Yeah, this one you can remove. All right, guys, so keep an eye on these things. On the higher side, we have resistance at 1.3669. On the lower side, we have support at 1.3488. Well, dollar against the Swiss franc has also broken out of this long-term falling channel, and now next level of resistance seems like this is the swing high. This is 0.9016, and after that the next level will be this high, which is around 0.9109, and later on 0.9147. But right now the price is trading above 0.8876, and for this, if the price closes higher than this, then this level will start acting as a support area. So all this price action is negated, and you can look for something like this to happen in the near future. So this will be your buying area, right? Silver, well, silver has broken lower. It was making higher highs, higher lows, broken lower here. So if the price rises from here, then 23.90 should act as a resistance, and the next target to the downside should be this one. That is because it is a clean downtrend now, so 22.21 should be the target for the silver on the downside, and resistance should be seen at around 23.78 to 23.90, 78 to 23.90. Similar is the case for gold. Gold has also started coming down here. I think I have mentioned this resistance with my friends who were here, that 1948 should be a crucial level of resistance, and this should bring the price down to 1929, or maybe at least to these highs where it can find some support and then start rising again. That was my opinion. Well, till now the price has not met this area. If the price comes to this area, if the price comes to this area, this may offer some support to the price. and the price may start rising from here. This is my expectation. But even if the price keeps on falling, then 1903 is a very crucial area of support. Okay. On the higher side, we will have now, if the price closes below 1929, then 1929 level should start acting as a good resistance for the price. Bitcoin has broken all the resistances, has taken all the targets. In fact, today it has traded above 89.87. Now, if it gives a clean close above 89.87, then next target is these highs. I'm sorry, guys. So the next target will be 96.92. So this is much of a difference. If you get a buying opportunity in Brent, I think that will be a good area where you should be looking to book profits if the price starts rising from. Okay, a clean close above 89.87 is what is required. So since all these things are now out, so we can remove these. Okay, even this one is fine. So this is a clear price action that you can see. Guys, if you're vibing around here, if you're still with me, make sure that you smash that like button. It really helps us in the YouTube algorithm. And if you don't like it, it's okay. But if you like it, do smash that like button. It helps. So the next thing that we are going to see is the Bitcoin. Where is Bitcoin going? Okay, so Bitcoin doesn't see any buyers here at the level of 25,671. Well, there is a possibility that around 24,766 there may come some buyers, but if they do not come at 24,766, then the next level that we can expect them is 23,890. And if that level also they don't come, then I don't think that they are going to come till 21,342 or 19,540. So Bitcoin will go to dustbin below 24,766. So this is a very crucial level. On the higher side, 28,106 is the crucial resistance. In case of Ethereum is already actually trading on the support area of 1621. If that doesn't hold, the next level is 1578. After that, 1548. On the upside, we can find some resistance at this confluence of resistance of this channel and this channel. And also 1742 is the horizontal level of resistance. Well, Euro New Zealand, I think on 1 hour, I told you that there may be some consolidation and finally it is going to go up. And it looks like it has already broken out to the upside and is headed higher. Okay. So yes, 1.8461 is the target. 1.8081 was the level where we were looking for the price to see some support. And the next level of resistance is 1.8461, thereafter 1.8629, and even after that we have higher targets of 1.9926 in the longer run of euro against the New Zealand. On the lower side we have 1.8147 as the support and 1.8081 as the good support for the euro New Zealand price. Euro against the Australian dollar has, okay, I think we have been shouting about this price here at the neckline. I don't remember how many times I have shouted this, and you see what has happened. I cannot stress it more. I was saying that don't buy here, don't buy here, don't buy here, don't buy here, don't buy here. Buy at the test of the neckline. This is what happened at the neckline. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, whatever. Now we have pierced through these highs, so expect another buying and push to the upside. So this is a confirmation that there are potential buyers at the neckline. Okay, and they are buying with the huge volumes. That means when the price was going down, the volumes were decreasing, and thereafter it started increasing close to the neckline. So yes, there are huge volumes, and even today at this price there were higher volumes. Expect the price to keep rising till at least 1.7385. Okay, on the downside, expect this neckline to act as a good support. Audi against New Zealand is going nowhere. The price is not even falling, not rising. It is staying as it is. So let's not talk about it and stay away from this. Okay. GBP AUD, I want to sell this market in the longer run. It has given me a selling opportunity, but again, this has given us a bullish engulfing at support area. So this is again crucial. Well, I am expecting the price to come to 1.9807 before I sell this market. So let us see what happens at 1.9807. Yes, it is a bull market right now, but I am expecting it to get sold off around 1.9807. So whatever happens there, I will be taking a decision on the basis of that. Right now I'm not taking any action because from here it is a sell off and from here it is a buying, and it has been buying for a long time. So I think the price should be selling in the near futures, but let's see what happens when the price meets 1.9807. Okay, till that I'm not till the time is coming, I'm not taking any decision. USA 30, well, another selling opportunity here. You might be thinking that yes, this is a selling opportunity, but believe me that this may be your another buying opportunity if the price comes back to 34,421. Okay, this may not be a sell-off. Yes, it looks like a sell-off with the bearish engulfing and the price is selling off, but look at this also. Okay, the price was going down, and here the buyers came into power. So whenever they get another opportunity, and to be sure, I'll tell you that Fibonacci 50% acts as a very good area. If you have something like this drawn on your chart, then expect this 34,687, which is 38%. Already price is hovering around that area, and thereafter 34,560 area should be acting as a very good support for the price in case the price meets. CAD CHF, no price action here. GBP CAD, sideways movement. USA Tech, sideways movement, but yes, it has pierced through this falling channel and now is trying to take support at that. I think if you can find this price on 8th of September around 50,364, then that will be a very good buying opportunity with a target of 50,811. Second last, it's ODJPY. Always I will be buying this market at the lower prices. In the longer run, Australian dollar against the Japanese yen is going to rise, and it will rise very fast. If the opportunity arises, you should be looking to buy this pair. Also see that how beautifully this channel is getting this. See how beautifully this channel is working. Every time the price is meeting this channel, it is getting supported. Next time if you get an opportunity to buy this market, do not lose that opportunity. ODJPY in the longer run has broken out of a very crucial resistance. Now every time the price is falling, it is being bought back. So do not miss this bandwagon. If you get an opportunity, or if you want to buy now, then buy this with the small amount so that you don't have a regret that you have not entered this market, because this is a good buy. Okay, although the Australian dollar is rising, but still you see the Australian dollar is able to manage a close higher for the ODJPY. Okay, the resistance is 95.06 and the support is now 93.97. In fact, it is around 93.58. Euro against the pound is weak. Today there is a bearish engulfing and bearish pin bar at the resistance. 0.8492 is the next level of support. Below that, the price will go back to 0.8407. Well, that's all guys from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the chat box provided. All right, since there is no question popping up, so I will try to end this live stream by saying that I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and in coming days. My request to you will be that keep in mind to only risk 1% of your capital on any single trade, and you should be looking for a potential profit of more than 3 times that is you are going to take. And you should adjust your position size in such a manner that even if your stop loss gets triggered, your account should not lose more than 1% of the capital. With this note, I shall end this live stream, and please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and also if you are new, you can consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. I have personally it every day at 1700 Greenwich Mean Time. So be with me from Monday to Friday at this time. Have a good day. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you go through my previous videos which are listed by the name technical trading. Okay, technical live trading, technical trading live, whatever you say. Please go through those videos and it will really help you in understanding what we talk about here. Thank you once again for your time and energy, and I will see you tomorrow at the same place, same time. Till then, bye bye and take care.